Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I have a wig install for you today. If you want to see how I installed and styled this wig, please continue watching the video. Remember to like and share. Okay, so let's get into it. First of all, this wig came in this cute little pink bag, which I love, love, love. Some details about the wig. It's a 13x4 lace frontal Brazilian virgin human hair wig. It's 20 inches long, and the density is not very high. I think it's about 150 density. Yeah. So it came with these wig caps. There's 2 wig caps in the pack, and this is how it comes out of the bag. It had a net over it, and I'm just taking the net off. As you can see, that's the lace in the front, and it already has the baby hairs already cut out. They're a little bit long if you ask me, but we're gonna fix all of that later on in the install. That's the lace in the front, which we're gonna cut off, and I'm trying to keep this very, very simple, very easy, beginner friendly. So it has 3 clips inside, 1 on the right, 1 on the left, and 1 in the back. And the strap on it is not adjustable. It is elastic, so it will adjust, but it's not like the other adjustable ones where you can choose where you put the hooks. It's just an elastic adjustable. So I'm starting out with the wig cap that they gave me, which I like because it's a darker brown wig cap. And so now we're putting it on and just trying to line it up with my hairline in the front, and I'm just adjusting the clip in the back, and now I am adjusting the clips on the side. There you go. I'm just gonna take the clip and put it in, like, you know, right underneath that wig cap. Make sure that you don't pull on to your real hair. Be very, very gentle when you're putting it on, because we want to definitely keep our edges. We're not with that bald edge look. No way, no siree, not here. Okay, so I'm just trying to line it up and just make sure everything is good, and I'm gonna begin to cut the lace, but beforehand I'm just gonna clip the hair back so that I can just cut the lace. So I'm just using my butterfly clips to hold the hair back in place so that I can cut the lace off in the front, and we can begin styling the wig. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just making a cut right in the middle so that it can be easier as opposed to just going side to side. That way it's kind of hard. So I'm just showing you on camera the first side how I'm cutting it, and they always say to cut in almost like a zigzag. You don't want to have it too straight. I think that's so that the lace doesn't unravel. So that's what I'm doing. I'm getting all the lace off, trying to get as close to the hairline as possible without cutting any of the hair from the wig. Okay, so at this point, if you choose to use glue, this is the glue that I have, but I'm not going to use glue. But this is the off-brand of the Got To Be glue, so that's what you would use. But since I have more than one hair review to do, I'm not going to be gluing this down. Yeah. So I'm gonna style it in a way that you don't see the lace, but you definitely want to make sure you do glue it down when you're going out so that you know, the lace is not showing. But I'm not gonna do that in this video. I want to make it very, very simple for you guys who are beginners, who are just trying to learn how to install your wigs. So right now I'm just putting trying to do a side part. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a middle or a side part, and I chose the side part. I think I should have done a middle part, but it's okay. I'm just working with it and I'm figuring it out as I go along. This is my first time using a wig like this. So I'm just going to be adding some of my Jamaican black castor oil. It's called the Pure Butter, which is like heavy and it's kind of waxy. And I like that because it holds the hair in place. So if you don't want a lot of movement, because you see the hair is fine and it's straight, so it's going to be moving all over the place. So you want to use a certain product that will keep it in place. So it's sort of like molded in the style that you want it. I know some people sell what's called wax sticks, and it's specifically for wigs, so you can look into that. I'll put the link in the video to what I use though. So now I'm just going over the hair with a curl, no, this is not a curling iron. This is my hot comb, because I'm just wanting it to lay down flat. Like, your wig does not come styled. Most of the time it doesn't. You guys have to style it. So if you're a person who is not good with styling, you may want to get a wig that's a lot more easier, that you don't have to style. But yes, with this one, you have to style it to the way that you like it, and everyone has a different way that they want to wear their hair. So that's the wonderful thing about these wigs. Like, you can style it to how you look. It's not like back in the day, like when you seen your grandmama's wig and it wasn't looking right, and it was, you know, you could tell it was a wig, like it came the way it came and that's how they had to wear it. No, you can actually style these wigs, put products on them, flat iron them, curl them, hot comb them, and you know, adjust it, customize it to the way you want. So that's what I'm doing now. Yeah, and I'm just thinning mine out some with the hot comb, so that I just want a natural look. Like, I want it to look like it could be my hair, and so that's okay that it doesn't have a lot of density, because it's okay. I'm working with it. And that's me just trying to get it as flat as I need it to be. And so now that I have it flat like how I want it, I'm clipping it back so that I can begin to work on these baby hairs. Guys, you know, I'm still trying to get my baby hair life together. I'm not a big baby hair person. Like, I'm trying. I'm getting better and better, so please bear with me. I'm doing the best that I can. These baby hairs were like really long, so I'm just cutting them. Yeah, I'm cutting them, and they just put it in the front like that because you're not gonna see any other baby hair on the side. The hair from the wig is just gonna cover it. So I'm just using some mousse to just lay it down and begin to try to like give it a certain shape. So that's my little baby hair brush. So I'm brushing it down and then gonna try to swoop it. I had to keep stopping and starting because I wasn't sure if I was doing it right, and it's like, okay, let me just do it in the most simplest way that I can. So that's me trying to swoop those baby hairs. I feel like, since this wig, it said it was pre-plucked, but I feel like there could be some more plucking along the hairline, especially where the baby hair is there. And if you need to make a part on the side or in the center, you definitely need to pluck it some more. Like, I don't really know about all that plucking, and I don't want to do it. That's like too much work, so I'm not even gonna pluck it. But I would definitely say you need to pluck along the hairline and where you make a part, so that it can look more natural. You see what I mean? Like, where that side part is, there's a lot of hair still, so you want to pluck it so that it can look more natural, like, you know, your scalp is there. And I'm getting it, as I do more of these tutorials, I'm getting better and better, but please bear with me. I'm nowhere near perfect, guys. So yeah, that's the best that I could do up to this point. So yeah, that's it. So I'm done. I did the baby hairs. I'm just showing you the back of it and the density. I'm done with this install. I hope that you guys liked it. Like and share the video, and yeah, follow me on my social media. All the info will be in the description, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.